let's talk about 5 niches that can hit 6 or even 7 figures in 2026. Now, I have asked ChatGPT for this information. If you're not using Chat, I'm not sure what you're doing in 2026. I get it. I know that there's like an eco thing, and I'm like, what do I do? Because Chat is going to tell you every single time how to get to the bag. And if you take this information, if you implement it in the way I'm going to tell you today, not only can you be on your way to making 6, 7 figures, but you can also start doing it for little to no money. Hello? Okay. So let's jump right into this list. Number 1 is going to be personalized identity merch. All right. So Chat says the reason why this is big is because personalization keeps growing because it's giftable, it's emotional, and it converts like crazy. Now, hear me when I say in 2026, you need all the emotion you can get. People are very particular right now about how they're spending their money. So emotional is the way to go. All right. Now, I would suggest if you don't already have a Printify account, which is print on demand, it is your virtual warehouse partner. That means that they print, ship it, pack it for you, send it to your customers on your behalf, and your customers never know you didn't do it. Okay. You can sign up right now. You don't even need a credit card. Click the link in my description or comment Printify. I'll send you the link right away because you can do personalization right inside of Printify. Yes, you can. All right. You can sell embroidered hats that are personalized. You can do sweatshirts and hoodies, mugs, ornaments, tumblers for gifts. You can even do wall art. Okay. Now, here are some more little subcategories that are really going to hit the 6-figure mark. New dad, new mom, baby announcement sets. All right. Wedding parties and bachelorette packs. Yes, people are still getting married and they want custom items for that. New home, first home coordinates, and pet parents. All right. Again, all of this is inside of Printify. And now Printify is your print partner and your sales channel, which means the place where your customers will find you. You can connect it right inside of Printify. So you can sell this on TikTok Shop. I don't know if you've become a victim of TikTok Shop or not. I just bought something. Or if you are on Etsy, you can connect your Printify right to Etsy. All right. It is that simple. Number 2, speaking of pets, listen, people are always going to love their pets. So this is still a 6-figure plus niche in 2026. And the reason why pet merch is big, according to Chat, is because it is the most consistent evergreen print on demand niche. Okay, this is Chat saying this. I'm not saying this. So you can sell pet tees, you can sell crew necks, you can sell pet bandanas, you can sell pet bowls, pet mats. You can also do pet posters. Now, here are the 6-figure angles if you decide you want to do a pet brand in 2026. Breed clubs are big, all right? Doodles, Frenchies, Huskies, represent your set. People will buy that. You can do rescue or adoption merch. Who saved who? That's very cute. And you can do something memorial for pets, which according to Chat is a huge market. Forever in my heart and something with the pet. That seems a little sad to me, but Chat said that it's a 6-figure subcategory. So they even included some fast hooks for us that you can put on different merch. Dog mom era, cat dad era, reactive dog club. And you can also do like custom pet name items because again, you can do personalization right inside of Printify. All right. Steal any of these ideas. They are all stealable. Go make your money, please. Don't let it make you. Next, let's move on to number 3, aesthetic micro communities. All right. I didn't know what this meant, but let's see what Chat is saying, why this is big in 2026. Pinterest is literally forecasting these kind of identity aesthetics in 2026. People buy merch to signal the vibe. Okay. So it's saying boxy tees and baby tees. So this feels like throwback stuff. Posters, room decor. Again, all of this you can create inside of Printify. Tote bags and crew necks. So here are some 6-figure sub angles for you. You can do romantic vibes if you're hopeless romantic, vintage writing, moody, minimal vibes, 80s glam, throwback, nostalgic themes. I think that where we are in the world right now, we can all use a little nostalgia that feels good for us. That will make people buy. Okay. So that is our number 3. Let's move on to number 4, which I feel like every year when I do this list, this one comes up, and that is wellness and fitness. All right, self-care identity. I think again in 2026, where a lot of people are losing it, we can all use a little bit of self-care identity. So this one is big because well-being culture, according to Chat, is evolving beyond basic gym quotes into longevity and self-optimization. So I think if you're really into health and fitness, this is going to be your 6-7 figure move. All right. You can do tumblers, shakers, yoga mats, wall prints, gym towels, oversized tees. They got leggings, all kind of stuff available on Printify as well. And here are some 6-figure angles that you can take. You can do hot girl walk lifestyle, runner identity merch. So that's like 5 a.m. club, or I'm in my marathon era, something like that. Anything that is like wellness, humor specific, that also works well. So there's a lot you can do here for sure. If I were you, I would also ask Chat to give you some very specific ideas if you want to go a little bit deeper. Next is number 5, and that's going to be outdoor adventure, darecation culture. It says this one is big because escape and adventure travel is a core trend theme going into 2026. All right. Outdoor niches also stay evergreen year round. So embroidered hats and beanies are good. Stickers, again, also on Printify. You got mugs, posters, all of that. And the 6-figure subcategories are like hiking and national park lovers, those type of designs, climbing and bouldering humor, van life, camping minimalism, ski, snowboard, micro phrases. Okay. So those are our 5 categories that Chat says these will get to 6 and 7 figures in 2026 for the person who knows how to identify their audience and market correctly, okay? That is going to be the game changer. Identify which one of these you want to sell, identify the people that you want to sell it to, and lock in on your marketing, and you have the opportunity to make it to 6 or 7 figures. All right. So let me know which one of these you're interested in the comments. We can play around with some ideas if you're interested. Some of these I'm a little interested in. So if you are going to do it, please let me know. And if you have questions about these niches or Printify or anything else, drop it in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I love you. Shout out to you and your business, and I'll see you in the next video.